ain't even gonna lie, life's crazy. You don't know what to do out the shit, I go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
They told me that they was looking for me, no I ain't hiding.
No.
If you want smoke, we can hop in the street, let's get it poppin'. I told this bitch I just want hit, your panties they ain't dropping. The only thing that's dropping is ops and I'm not lying. I'm on the road to the riches and trust me bitch, I'm trying. I'ma go get it for all of them days my mom was crying. All of them nights when we was crying, felt like we was dying. Ain't had no food in our stomachs, but we was still surviving. I made a song last week and wrote that shit in the dark. What made it deep is that I wrote that shit with a broken heart. My mama told me if you hop up in these streets, play it smart. And you know niggas got no aim, so they shoot right at your heart. I told my mama I'm a savage, been legit from the start. We catch a eye, we spin the block, me on that bitch till it's dark. We hit his mouth for those few shots, now he don't know how to talk. Matter of fact, the shoot his legs, now he don't know how to walk. Damn, growing up, you know life is hard. I'm trying to make it out and buy my mom that new car. I want a car too, but I want the one with the stars. Dreaming big, thinking hard, standing on my bars. They always told me mine should be the best that you can be. They told me that I was the ticket, they see it in me. I told them that I'm the realest nigga that you might meet. Damn, realest nigga you run into in these streets. Niggas know it's hard up in these streets, yeah, yeah. Spin the block, leave your face on the T, yeah, yeah. Play your cards right from fucking with me, yeah, yeah. Yeah, fucking with me, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Oj, Boże, ale to je baby.
Yeah, I gotta go get to a bag. I'ma go get to it fast. I know these niggas be plotting, they tryna come get the drop where I be at. But no, I can't go out like that. Guess I told my mama that we was gon' make it, yeah, fuck her, yeah. We not gon' be stuck at the bottom, no cap. I gotta get off my ass and chase it. I'm nothing like these niggas, they all basic. Came a long way from cleaning the pavement. $5 what I said for the payment. I was just trying to make a living. I told them I rap and they thought I was kidding. I'm sick and tired living this life that I'm living. I'm sick and tired of living the life that I'm living. I told them I rap and they thought I was kidding. I can't fuck with these niggas cause niggas be snitching. 9 times out of 10 I'm fucking they bitch ass. I want them big racks, few mil. Kinda looking for a deal, but really looking for a meal. Fuck how niggas really feel. Cause niggas ain't fuck with me back then, so fuck how niggas really feel. Fuck how niggas really feel, yeah. Fuck how niggas really feel. And I'm off of them drugs. When I get up I start moving just like I'm a slug. I know why niggas been hating on me cause I'm Maserati and they know I'm a thug. I know why niggas been lying and trying me, so when I catch them you gon' know what's up. I know why niggas been lying and trying me, so when I catch them you gon' know what's up, yeah. I'm in this store and I'm making big moves. I fuck around and just fucking make the news. I just fuck around and might just make the news. Niggas they tryna come take me out my shoes, but I can't let that happen. I stay in my motherfucking ratchet. So if I catch me a op, then I'm up in my Glock and you know what's gon' happen. Yeah, 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 yeah. Maserati never lagging. I stay on my motherfucking Glock in my pants and I walk with that bitch, it's a habit. So if a nigga want the static, nigga don't cop out, you know you can have it. You know you can have it. Nigga, you know you can have it, yeah, 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 yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. They roll me these shoes like a rookie. Niggas, they really be pussy. Yeah, yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. Yeah, yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy.
Oj, Boże, ale to je baby.
I'ma double the ad-lib. Baby, I'm a motherfucking rock star. Yeah, a rapper, heavy trapper, and a pop star. Yeah, yeah, when you come around, baby, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, yeah, baby, I'm a motherfucking rock star. Yeah, a rapper, heavy trapper, and a pop star. Yeah, yeah, when you come around, baby, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, yeah, baby, I'm a motherfucking anything you want, baby girl.
you know that I got you. I will not put no one else above you, cause I love you. Baby girl, I miss you, your kisses, yeah, and your hugs too. You don't know how happy I am just to have you. I got you right up on my team. It feels like we stuck in a dream. She like how I make her the drip with the baby Balenciagas and Burmese. Yeah, for your love I'm a fiend. Yeah, for your love I'm a fiend. I'm so happy, happy right up so on my team. Baby girl, I need you all to myself. I was just stuck in the ring with no help. Back then I ain't had love from nobody, so I left my love straight up on the shelf. Nowadays I do not know what to do. Lately I really been thinking about you. Now I'm really in the stew and I'm still thinking about you. My closest homie traded on me, put it in a song. Now I do not know what's going on. Now I'm gonna call my phone, don't call my phone. Baby girl, don't call my phone. Baby, I'm a motherfucking rock star. Yeah, a rapper, heavy trapper, and a pop star. Yeah, when you come around, baby, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, baby, I'm a motherfucking rock star. Yeah, a rapper, heavy trapper, and a pop star. Yeah, when you come around, baby, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, I'm rock hard. Yeah, baby, I'm a motherfucking.
I've been tryna get to a bag and lately tryna get out my feelings. I'm tryna stack up my money, yeah, straight from the flow to the motherfucking ceiling. I compare myself to a banana, the way all my pockets be peeling. And I separate myself every day, cause the way niggas be out here just killing. Stay in the studio, I stay in the booth, hope you know all I do is spit flames, yeah. Stay in my own fucking lane, cause these niggas be lame and they do not be gang, yeah. Promise myself that I'm never gonna change. I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the chain. Smoking some gas when I don't feel the same. Different colors, we don't smoke the same strain. Lately I've been really up in my feelings. They keep telling me get out your bag, nigga, because you was the ticket. My response was not the ticket, just different, and I'm just gifted. But don't test me, I got niggas that's ready to spin like a fidget. Nigga, play with your life, you gon' get it. Making money, I do not make friends now. Ride around with the Glock in my hand now. Niggas know I'm the shit and that's hands down. Got your bitch tryna pull her damn pants now. Brought a new stick and it sound like a band now. I be dripped off from my toe to my head now. Only 16 with a dream in the flow now. Only 16 with a dream in the flow. Lost in my head, I got nowhere to go. Battle depression, I put that on bro. Mama told me never stress by the hoe. Every day these bitches coming and go. Yeah. Mama told me never stress by the hoe. Every day these bitches coming and going. Every day these bitches coming and going. Lately I've been trying to get to a bag and lately trying to get out my feelings. I'm trying to stack up my money, yeah, straight from the flow to the motherfucking ceiling. I compare myself to a banana, the way all my pockets be peeling. And I separate myself every day, cause the way niggas be out here just killing. Stay in the studio, I stay in the booth, hope you know all I do is spit flames, yeah. Stay in my own fucking lane, cause these niggas be lame and they do not be gang, yeah. Promise myself that I'm never gonna change. I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the chain. Smoking some gas when I don't feel the same. Different colors, we don't smoke the same strain. 1 BH, that's the motherfucking gang. Yeah, promise my niggas I'm never gon' fucking switch lanes. Yeah, promise myself that I'm never gon' fucking switch lanes. Yeah. I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the motherfucking chain. Yeah. Maserati, yeah. Maserati, yeah. Maserati, yeah. Maserati, yeah.
Ballin' game time. I'm gonna get you. What is it with me? I'm gonna. Watching my block. I'm looking for cars, hey. Gotta get off this block, hey. Now I'm up on the road.